Class, one of our words today, the word date, let's see, it can be a noun or a verb. Like if we say today's date, then it's a noun. But if I say please date your paper, meaning put the date on your paper, then it is a verb. Which of our HHH words is the one where they're spelled the same and sound the same, but they could be a noun or a verb? Which one is it? All right, good. A homonym. Let's go to page 14. All right, your first free line in your homonym section. Go ahead and write and mark date. All right, make sure it looks like that, and then of course it'll look exactly the same in the other box. Go ahead and write it in there. All right, and then next to this one, in our second column, we'll put a little v, because that will be the verb. All right, let's see, our next word was happy. How do we say happy to spell it? All right, we say hap-py. Hap-py. All right, now happy, let's see, I can think of some words that mean similar things, like words that mean almost the same thing as happy. Ooh, which of our words that ends with nim are words that mean almost the same, right? We have synonyms and antonyms. Which one means almost the same? So, what is it? All right, words that mean almost the same are synonyms. Let's go to page 12 where we have our synonyms. All right, your first free line over here, go ahead and write happy. One more time, how do we say it to spell it? Good, hap-py. And which E is it? Good, it's ya, I-E. So go ahead and write and mark hap-py. All right, and then over here, words that mean almost the same thing as happy. First, let's write the word glad. That word is a basic code word, so even if you have not spelled it before, we haven't learned it, you'll know what to write. Nothing to mark. All right, we're also going to put another word after glad. That means almost the same thing as happy, so we'll put a little comma. The next word is joyful. How many syllables are in joyful? All right, good, 2. The first syllable is joy. And of course, we have to use the oi that we do use at the end of English words because joy is our base word. Right, so joy, and then put a syllable break. And add that suffix full that we've been using recently. Full. All right, it's good to get some more synonyms. We haven't had very many so far. All right, oh, but wait, we have another synonym next. All right, on our next line, go ahead and write near. Near, which E do we use in near? Good, E-A. All right, a synonym for near, instead of saying I am near you, I could say I am what to you? close to you. All right, near and close are synonyms. All right, in close, we need silent final EJOB 1 to make our O say O. So go ahead and write and mark close. All right. All right, well, that is it for the front of our notebook. Let's go to the back. All right, we'll start on our A's page. So 76 and 77. All right, which A do we use in date? And A with A. Good, with the silent final EJOB 1, write and mark date. All right, let's check it. Good, all right. Now let's go to the next page where we have our E's. All right, class, in happy and nearly, which E do we use? It's the same one for both. Oh, and if we're looking up, we see when we have Lee, up we use yut it IE. All right, so the next free line in your yut it IE column, let's see, let's write happy first. How do we say happy to spell it? Good, happy. Go ahead and write and mark it. Happy. All right, and oh, you know, nearly, actually, let's start by putting near in the E column where it goes. Which E do we use in near? All right, good, we use E-A. So go ahead and write near and mark it. All right, now, let's see, we just want to make sure we know which E we're talking about in the second syllable of nearly. Which E is it? Good, then it's yut it IE. So let's go ahead and put nearly in this column. So write it and mark it. All right, our next page, we'll go to our next page, which is our I's page. So that is 80 and 81. Class, which I do we use in mine? All right, good, we use it, IE, and how do we make it say I? Go ahead, silent final EJOB 1. Go ahead and write and mark mine. All right, let's check it. Good. All right, we'll call that good for this video, class. We've got one more.